just wait another couple of minutes. Come on, stick around.
I study every day at 2. You know that.
Hey, how you doing, man?
Hey, what's up?
My friend Emma.
Hi, Emma. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, same. But sorry, I really have to go now. Talk to you another time.
Okay. See you.
Pretty girl.
How do you know her? What does she do?
She goes to college around here.
Oh. Hey, you gonna have anything for lunch?
I don't really have much of an appetite.
Have nasi goreng.
Yeah, why not? Simple present tense. Utamanya digunakan ketika kita menceritakan tentang kebiasaan atau hal-hal yang tidak berubah saat ini atau untuk mewakili keberadaan ini. Itu juga digunakan dengan preposisi to sama have to, want to, atau untuk meminta seseorang. Stop that. Untuk menggunakan ini dengan kebiasaan, kita bisa bicara sama I do this every day. I have a coffee every morning. She does that every weekend.
I study every day at 2. You know that.
Using the simple present tense to talk about things that don't change over time. We can say things like, I have a job. Do you have any kids? I feel sick today. Atau dengan pertanyaan, do you have a wife?
How do you know her? What does she do?
She goes to college around here.
Oh.
We also use the simple present tense when we're giving orders or instructions to people. For example, sit here. Come back. Give me a call later. In a couple of minutes. Come on, stick around.
Have nasi goreng.
Kita juga bisa menggunakan present tense verb untuk menceritakan tentang apa yang kita mau lakukan di depan. For example, I want to go there. She plans to meet him later. I want to do that when I get there.
Look, I need to go now. Same. But sorry, I really have to go now. Talk to you.
Kita juga bisa menggunakan structure ini untuk menceritakan tentang pemilik toko ini. She has many coconuts. Daripada she is having many coconuts, berarti dia sedang makan kelapa. Also, be careful not to use the present continuous tense instead of the simple present tense in certain situations, or you could have a very strange meaning. We say, I have a cat. Tapi jika kamu bilang, I am having a cat, ini bermaksud aku sedang makan kucing. The person in the video says, why not? Ini maksudnya, jika tidak ada lainnya, okay. We can also say, might as well, because it's something we don't really want to do. But if there's nothing else, okay.
Look, I need to go. You know I have a lesson at 2.
Just wait another couple of minutes. Come on, stick around.
I study every day at 2. You know that.
Hey, how you doing, man?
Hey.
Hey, it's my friend Emma.
Hi, Emma. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, same. But sorry, I really have to go now. I'll talk to you another time.
Okay. Pretty girl. How do you know her? What does she do?
She goes to college around here.
Oh. Hey, you gonna have anything for lunch?
I don't really have much of an appetite.
Have nasi goreng.
Yeah, why not?
Look, I need to go now.